Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about this is my prompting AI with one of AI platform. This is about the flexibility tiny home with built on the forest. So as usual, it's not only about the interior but also about the exterior design of this tiny home. And I like about the several design alternative and about the envelopes combination and meshing combination about this tiny home, which is it's not only simple but has some uniqueness and iconic things on this tiny home. Okay, let's watch. Okay, I like this tiny home. I like about the simplicity and flexibility because of this one of tiny home is make and give us about the flexibility to place to the another place. It's not only here, it's not only in the forest, but it can place on somewhere as we want. Anyway, it's just my opinion. So if you have any question or any commenter, and if you have about your opinion, you can type on this commenter below. Okay, we can continue. And then um, I like this is about the uniqueness tiny home on the wheels because of not only exterior but also the interior. It's feels like wood with a combination of material. I mean the dominant material is from the timber. I mean as we look from here, and we can look for the cornering layout on this interior tiny home itself with iconic green vintage on the sofa, so it would make the difference vibe of this tiny home. And I like the circular window on this tiny home. It make the unusual vibes than other tiny home as usual because of the large and circular window can allow us to see about the surrounding nature. Then we can see about this. I think it's seems like low budget and flexible tiny home because of the simplicity of this tiny home itself. Then we can see this one. Um, I like about the simple terrace or simple courtyard on the front of this entrance, so it allow us to make some agenda or some activity on the not only indoor but also outdoor area. Okay, and this is about the great interior with old green, and I mean it was bring the natural vibes, and I mean this is about the happy vibes of this. I feel the happiness vibes because of the color with orange, white, and some material. And this one is about the old green and the light wood material on the outside of the cladding panel of the tiny home itself, so it would make the iconic. And I think this is about the simple and compact tiny home with the unique shape and unique meshing of the tiny home itself, as we can see from the outdoor with entrance with the old green door on the entrance. And I mean this is about the interior of this tiny home that match with the exterior just now as we can see before. Then like about the combination, it's not monotonic because of the light wood material. And this is about the interior with a skylight, especially this is with a curvy envelope, so it will make the difference shaping or different envelopes and make the uniqueness of this tiny home itself. Then I think it's about the shelving arrangement of this interior. As we can look for the interior, it's about the simple interior, and this is, I mean, it's can be combined with the nature environment color because of the color with a very old green. I mean, in my opinion, and it has a natural color, and this is um, interior vibes of this tiny home with light wood as usual. And I mean, it's not too small, but it's a little bit spacious of this interior tiny home, especially this one. I like about the combination between the sofa and stair to the loft bed area, just like this. Even if the loft bed area is so small, but I mean, it was creative idea about making the layout interior itself. I mean, and this one is not only about the cabinet, but it can be placed for the TV or electronic or some electronic tools. I mean, then I think it was industrial simple or industrial compact tiny home, as we can see, with semi classic window, as we can see from exterior. And this is about the um, simple exterior with some accent on the architrave door and window itself with the cyan color. Okay, and this is about the iconic color on the snowy forest. I mean, because of the color with a little bit red or a little bit red and white, and this is about the happiness vibes color with the orange and transparent and old orange and the little bit black color, especially on the window and the door frame. And this one, I mean, it was great combination between the light wood and the old green with red on the door, especially on the entrance with a little bit canopy on above the little courtyard over there. Then we can see about the some of interior. This is about the interior design of this tiny home with daylighting vibes. I mean, I like about the daylighting vibes itself. Okay, this is I mean, it's the most extreme. I mean, extreme tiny house and more complex tiny home, because it's not only about the tiny home but also the cantilever on the top floor. Okay, then again, this is about the happiness vibes with combination light gray and yellow. I mean, it was great combination. It was industrial color, but it's not bored. It's not boring. I mean, then this color make the modern vibes with light gray and white. I like this one. I like this color combination especially. Then we can see for the next, this is both the light wood and white color combination and dark color combination on the little bit of cladding of this tiny home. It was very beautiful. I mean, simple but beautiful. And this one also simple but beautiful with a dominance color of the dark color transparent window and little bit white color on the top of the window and some of vegetation. Okay, this cantilever structure is very unique. It's very unique about the cantilever structure of the little bit roof. And yeah, I mean, it's the most different tiny home itself. Then we can see again, I like this one because of the simple, but it has a dynamic roof design, I mean, in my opinion. And this one, it's so different because of the color with the chocolate material and light wood. I mean, it is the match combination between those color and great environment also. Yeah, it, I mean, it's minimalist modern vibes, and in my opinion, some of people like this one because of it simple, modern, futuristic, maybe it's just for you futuristic. And this is minimalist and colorful. Minimalist colorful with the combination of the color with orange, white, and green, army green. I mean, anyway, with a good simple entrance. And this one also with a yellow or orange, or with the light gray material. It's not only on the wall but also on the roof, a little bit roof on the left side, I mean. And thank you, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.